When you're out and about in your EV, the RAA Charge Network has you covered. To find your nearest charging station, use the ChargeBox app. When you arrive at a charging station, park in the designated spot, making sure that your charging port is on the same side or near the charger. Open your EV's charging port. Get the charging cable from the station and plug it into your EV. Our rapid and ultra-rapid chargers support the CCS2 plug type, with some sites supporting CHAdeMO as well. Start the charge session and monitor the status of your battery using the app. Charging time will vary depending on your car's battery, but you can expect to recharge between 10 and 45 minutes. When you're done, stop the charge session, unplug the cable, and you're ready to hit the road.